Dear students, today we are going to study PMTS, Predetermined Motion Time and System. Basically, it is the topic of work measurement in the industrial engineering, or you can say operation management. Basically, it is the technique whereby times are set for basic human motions depending on motion and the condition under which worker is working, and it is used to build up the time for a job at a defined level of performance. In other words, PMTS are technique for analyzing, synthesizing operation time from the standard time data for basic elementary motion comprising. The nature of PMTS can be illustrated by the simple example of the work cycle involved in putting a washer on the bolt. Some of the commercial PMTS which give time values for fundamental motions are now used in industries. First one is method time measurement. Basically, method time measurement was developed from motion picture on industrial operation, and the time standard were established in 1948. Again, work factor. Work factor is the system based on the concept of having catalog of manual motion, time and mental process. The basic difference is we don't consider here mental process. In this we consider the mental process. Another one is dimensional motion time, basic motion time and motion time analysis. We will discuss one by one all these topics. Now, method time measurement. It is a procedure which analyzes the manual operation. It comes from motion picture study. For a particular operation, when all motions have been identified, when all motions have been already identified, classified and recorded, the time values for each are determined from the MTM data. Method time measurement. The sum of these motions time is the time of an operator for average skill would take to perform the task, which is the representative time for that operation. Thus, by adding proper allowances used to the standard can be computed very accurately. Use of method time measurement. Developing effective methods and planning in advance for the beginning of production. It improves the existing method from the previous one. It estimates the accurate cost. Training to supervisor. Research in operating methods, training and performance that helps to product design. MTM data study of industrial corporation indicated that the movement of the body, however it can be broken up into a number of standard elements, are as follows. There are 8 basic motions, 8 fundamental movement like reach, move, apply pressure, turn, grasp, position, release, disengage. 9 pedal and tongue movement, pedal and tongue movement, legs and trunk motion, 2 ocular movement. That is the total 19 fundamental that we will see here. 8 basic motions are as follows: reach, move, apply pressure, turn, grasp, position, release, disengage. Now 9 pedal movements: side step, to and fro, turn body, walk, stoop, kneel on both legs, sit, turn body, bend and foot motion. Now ocular motion, to eye movement, to eye movement. Basically, move involves the nature of an object, nature of location, distance, how much you have to move, weight factor, types of the move. You will need to apply the. Now come to the work factor. Work factor is based on the concept of manual motion and mental process. The basic difference between work factor and MTM. It is arranged in such manner that an appropriate time can be obtained for every motion in that situation. Advantage of work factor: it has simple and easy and more accurate. It avoids inconsistency arising from judgment of speed. It takes into account mental process. Mental process is the act of using the central and peripheral nervous system of a brain to perform the work. Many mental processes occur simultaneously with mental manual motions. Hence, their time requirement cannot be observed separately. Their times are included in the work factor system. Now, this mental process describe the job, and it comes under four categories: detailed work factor, simplified work factor, abbreviated work factor, and ready work factor. Principle of detailed work time consumed by a man in performing a task may be divided into three categories: time controlled by body member, time controlled by mental process, time controlled by machine or process external to the operator. That means there are three categories: one your body, another is your mental, and the other factor which are not in your control. These are few of the example of mental physical process. Because someone is cooking and he is physically present and mentally absent, then you can imagine the taste of the food. Elements of work factor: there are total 8 elements of the work factor: transport, grasp, preposition, use, release, assembly, disassembly, mental processes. Again, we are discussing the mental processes. Four major variable body member which perform the motion is arm, leg, trunk, finger, and hand, foot. These are the body parts. And how do you use? Operator must be trained, otherwise they may be fatigued. Manual control steps involved in finding the operation time. This job in detail into individual motion determine the number of work factor associated with which motion. Find the time for each motion at the time for each appropriate working environment. Give allowances to arrive at the standard. Now, motion timetable or motion time study. Basically, the use of motion timetable promotion is analyzed and described in terms of body member, distance, and the number of work factors involved. Then reference in word to the motion timetable according to the body member involved. According to the body member, there are various body member. According to the distance moved, how much distance you have to move, and according to the number of work factors involved. The work factors will be totally different here, here, and again here. Little bit you are here more comfortable, more enjoyable, but fatigue due to movement and due to fatigue due to kneel down. There are little bit comparison because there are three important PMTS, MTM, and work factor methods. Basically, PMTS operation get delivered thoroughly 18 motion elements, 8 greatly in attainment of both accuracy and inconsistency level. Here MTM analyze manual operation plus mental processes, and work factor system analyze the motion time and predetermined mental time period for the development. We don't consider here mental process, but here we have considered the mental process. This recognize 8 manual motion. Most of the things are similar here, PMTS or MTM. This procedure PMTS is not simple. Again, it is also not simple, but it is little bit simple. Here time goes up to the this level. It gives fairly accurate prediction of the time. Also it gives accurate time, but it is more accurate since it not only employ the motion of the operator, but mental level is also very important. The work factor table applies values for measurement of common mental process as part of work factor, because a worker must be prepared physically, mentally, and one more thing that does not comes under our syllabus, that is spiritually. दिल, दिमाग और तंदुरुस्ती, तीनों चीज वर्कर के पास होना चाहिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. प्लीज share the channel and share with your classmate. Subscribe and keep watching the video of industrial engineering, and wherever you find little bit improvement, just comments or compliments. Thank you very much.
अब जाते जाते हम यह उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि आज आपने जो वीडियो देखा काफी कुछ समझ में आया होगा, और यदि आपको कुछ कम समझ में आया है तो इसको आप एक बार और देखिए. साथ में ही मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि इस वीडियो में जो टॉपिक था उससे रिलेटेड या सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड और वीडियो देखने के लिए हमेशा प्लेलिस्ट में जाइए, जहां पर 200 प्लस वीडियोज उपलब्ध हैं. और इस वीडियो के द्वारा जो नॉलेज मिला, जो आपकी स्किल डेवलप हुई, और हमने जो अपने अनुभव शेयर किए, हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि यह आपके जीवन में नित्य नई उन्नति के द्वार खोलेंगे. और जाते जाते मैं यही कहना चाहता हूं कि आप सभी स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए. साथ में ही यह मुस्कुराहट अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी, अपने क्लासमेट के साथ, अपने शुभचिंतकों के साथ भी शेयर करते रहिए. धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद.